Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make pesto spaghetti updated. Start by boiling salty water and cooking 12 Oz spaghetti until al dente. Reserve 1 cup of pasta water. While pasta cooks, blitz basil, 1/3 cup pine nuts, 1/2 cup Parmesan, garlic, lemon zest, and 1/3 cup olive oil until smooth. Toss pasta with pesto and a splash of pasta water, taste, and adjust salt and lemon for brightness. Begin by toasting pine nuts until fragrant, then let them cool to preserve basil freshness. Add basil, garlic, cooled pine nuts, and 1/2 cup grated Parmesan to a food processor. Pulse lightly. While pulsing, stream in 1/3 cup olive oil to form an emulsion and finish with lemon zest and salt. If the pesto seems thick, blend in up to 1/4 cup reserved pasta water for a glossy, clingy sauce. Drain pasta, keeping about 1 cup of pasta water, and return spaghetti to the pot off the heat. Add a few tablespoons of pesto and toss vigorously, adding reserved pasta water a little at a time until the sauce coats each strand. Finish with extra Parmesan, a lemon squeeze, and freshly cracked black pepper. Serve immediately so the basil stays bright and the sauce remains glossy and well-balanced.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.